Located just 35 minutes southeast of Nashville near Arrington, this exceptional 48-acre property offers a rare opportunity to own a truly captivating tract in the heart of Middle Tennessee. A beautiful mix of level to gently rolling terrain is complemented by a predominantly wooded landscape, rich with mature timber and natural character. As you turn off the paved county road, you're immediately welcomed by a sense of peacefulness, where the noise of the outside world fades into quiet countryside surroundings. A nicely maintained trail network winds throughout the property, providing easy access to every corner and enhancing its usability for recreation or future improvements. The trails meander throughout, all leading back to the pond that creates a natural centerpiece. Multiple soil sites for septic have already been identified, streamlining the building process, while convenient access to nearby towns adds to the property's charm. Nolensville is only 15 minutes away, and a short 30-minute drive will bring you to Murfreesboro or southeast Nashville. Whether you envision a custom home site with expansive views, a peaceful country escape, or a legacy property to enjoy for generations, this property combines convenience, functionality, and natural beauty in a highly sought-after location. For more information about this property, contact Pat Doyle at 615-490-2771.